All right, we just checked in Aria. We got a corner suite on the 31st floor. Just a quick room tour. This is the first bathroom off the entranceway, just a half bath with a toilet and sink. Let's see, this is our, come into the main living. Sofa, a good old mini bar. It does have a fridge. The no touch bar, which there's stuff missing. Walk into the bedroom, which we'll take a look at in a minute. This is the main reason a lot of people get this. This is the bathroom. Glass enclosed. I think it has heated toilet seat, full bidet, dual sink, a jetted bubbler, TV in case you want to look out while you're taking a bath. First floor, stand-up shower, no steamer, but it does have a good old bench. Into the main bedroom, king-size bed. Looks like they updated the suite. Everything's tablet now, which is pretty good. Nice size TV. View from the bedroom. Again, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Let's see, this should be robes, slippers, closet space. Overall, decent room. They said it was full capacity this week. All right, that's a quick room tour. We're gonna go eat and gamble. We'll be back.